So another quick sustainability tip is everybody likes to use sage. Not everybody, but most of the people I know like to use sage as a clearing, just maybe burning it for meditation, various reasons. So instead of buying the bundles, make your own. One sage plant can go a long way on creating your sage bundles. So you just trim your sage plants, all right, and then you trim them down into smaller places and smaller little sticks. You can get like sticks like this, all right. Sort of, I match them up based on size of the stems. And if some of them are skinny, then I'm going to put them with fatter ones so I can make a nice bundle. And the bundle can be any size that you want. And then just use some string. I always have yard string around. I don't even know where I get it at this point anymore. It just seems like I have a lot of it. I save twine from bales of hay and straw as well. That can work. Just anything like that, and then just tie it up around here in a nice little bundle. It doesn't have to be all beautiful, it just has to be functional. And then tie you off a string of a knot, and then I leave enough of a string so I can hang it upside down. I will be hanging it in the sun upside down along my fence to let it get nice and dry. That's important, to let it dry out. So I will maybe after it all dries out, I'll do another little video and show you how to smudge something. If you're my neighbor or my friend and you think you might like that for a birthday present, let me know. Okay, see ya. Okay, a sage update. Today is very windy, so I decided to put the sage in my, I'll show you outside, in my hillbilly dehydrator, as Deb calls it. I'm just putting it in the truck on the dashboard. Another thing I wanted to tell you is the sage, you can do it before you dry it out or after, but you clip the extra pieces so they don't burn and fall off after it's dried. Okay.